of everything. We as human beings have been sent to this earth after this earth was made ready to receive us and feed us, sustain our lives. And we have now responsibility to serve Allah's creation that is surrounding us, living with us. And that responsibility we have to really shoulder and carry on. Now, that basically is the theme that is the motivating factor behind whatever else we do in life. Now, to serve Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we have the privilege and the honor and through His mercy of a message from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala directly from His words. His words are with us in the shape of Al-Quran. And if we connect ourselves to that message, try to understand it, and try to live by it, then hopefully we'll be able to discharge our responsibility to the capabilities, to the capacity, and to the comprehension that we have about the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I always warn myself and also give a warning to all others that use microphones and talk about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's message, that we should never say that this is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said here, and that's what it means permanently or totally. We should always leave room to say that this is what I understand as of now. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and maybe much more to this verse than I can explain or I can understand. I say this because repeatedly I hear recordings from people that are supposed to be Islamic scholars, and they give the feeling as if they really are giving the final fatwa on this particular thing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned. And they may not really understand the depth of it. And this way they probably are not necessarily doing a good service. All they have to do is say that this is what I understand, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's message is much deep, much profound, and may have much more meanings than this. Let me just recount back that story of that human being in the cabinet of Sulaiman alayhi salam that was able to bring the throne of Bilqis from thousands of miles away in a blink of an eye because of the knowledge from this book. And this book, Al-Quran, has all that kind of secrets in it that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reveals those secrets to those people that He chooses to use for His service. So we should always, like I said, leave this opening. Today, in a very brief session, I will introduce you to